How can you change the volume settings on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works and what options you have available. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe for more videos on this channel, and therefore you're not going to miss anything important. So first of all, you can change the settings for the volume once you swipe down to access the control center, and you can go up and down with this or use the volume buttons, the physical ones, on the side of the iPhone and bump up the volume for the media that you are consuming, right? So that is one thing. On the other hand, the volume can be changed in a different place or for a different purpose. Because if you go to these settings and tap on the sounds and haptics, you'll see at the top that there is the ringtone and alerts. And the slider there basically is not for the content, like for the music or the video or whatever you're watching, but instead it is for the ringer and alerts. So that is when somebody's calling you here, decide how loud it's going to be, ringing on your device. Or if you set up an alarm, this is also the controller for the volume of that, right? So it is for the volume, but in a different sense, right? If that makes sense. And yeah, outside of that, you can also scroll down a little bit below toward the bottom, still within the sounds and haptics. And there are some things like the volume limit, which you might be interested in, right? That's one thing. And also there is the reducing of loud sounds or reducing loud audio in the headphones. That's like a bit more of the in-depth settings for the volume, but that might be also something that you are interested in. So let me know if there is still something else which you are wondering about and you would like to know more about. Let me know about that below in the comments. Subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you in the upcoming tutorials as well.